Droupadi Murmu unveiled the coveted trophies for the 135th Indianoil Durand Cup during the trophy unveiling and flag-off ceremony held at the Rashtrapati Bhavan Cultural Center in New Delhi. The ceremony marked the official start of the build-up to Asia's oldest football tournament. The 135th edition of the Durand Cup will be held from July 25 to August 23rd across 5 host cities, including Kolkata, Ranchi, Imphal, Shillong and Guwahati, where Ranchi will make its debut as a host venue. The tournament will open with the iconic Kolkata derby between Mohan Bagan Supergiant and East Bengal FC at the Vivekananda Yuva Bharati Kridangan on July 25. Addressing the gathering, President Droupadi Murmu said the Durand Cup has played a significant role in nurturing football talent in the country. She welcomed the participation of new teams, including Sri Lanka's Defender FC. She said football brings people together and promotes values such as equality, cooperation and resilience. The President wished all participating teams success and urged them to compete with excellence and true sporting spirit. The ceremony was attended by senior officials of the Indian Armed Forces, including Chief of Defence Staff General N.S. Raja Subramani, along with AIFF President Kalyan Chaube, Indian footballer Lallianjwala Changte, and representatives of the 24 participating teams. The 135th edition will comprise 24 teams, including one foreign side from Sri Lanka, with 43 matches to be played across 6 venues in 5 host cities. Following the flag-off ceremony, the iconic trophies will embark on a tour of Shillong, Imphal, Guwahati, Ranchi and Kolkata ahead of the tournament.